Hello, welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be the third part demonstrating the use of how to deliver a checkmate when you have a horse on the flank. Again, the name of the horse at this position here or here is called a golden hooked horse. A quick analysis of the position would show that red would have one horse, chariot, cannon, a single elephant guard, 2 pawns. Black would have one cannon, horse, chariot, full guard, 3 pawns. However, red would be the first to start the game. If black were to start the game first, he would simply capture the elephant and be prepared to attack. Black would be in trouble. So how can red avert this situation? So first move would be to play r8 equals to 6 to deliver a check using the cannon and chariot. Only viable move, and red will now use the horse to capture the advisor. Now with this move, red will now be prepared to deliver a checkmate by moving the horse h6 minus 4, because once the horse is here, the centroid will be guarded and the king will be under check by the chariot and cannon, and he cannot move to the center, so it will be a checkmate. Therefore, the only way that red can save himself would be to play k4 equals to 5. Now if black retreated the king, red will simply move the chariot away, simply along any one of these files, and this would be an immediate horse cannon checkmate. So the king is moved to safety. Red continues to deliver a check. Now at this point in time, the king cannot move here, otherwise this would be a horse cannon checkmate again. Note that the horse has controlled the centroid. So only move would be to play k5 minus 1. And if black played advance the king, this would be a checkmate with the chariot and the horse combination. And now red would deliver a very beautiful sacrifice. This would be a diversionary sacrifice, forcing the king out because the king cannot move to the centroid. And once the king was here, after adjusting the position of the horse, red will now deliver a checkmate with the horse cannon checkmate. So this is a very nice kill, and it demonstrates one of the many ways that the chariot horse cannon combination can checkmate. So quick recap: check, take, preparing to deliver a checkmate, forcing king to move. If the king retreated, red will move the chariot away for a horse cannon checkmate. k6 plus 4, forcing the king down. If advanced, red would checkmate with the chariot horse checkmate. If it moved over here, red would deliver a checkmate with the cannon horse checkmate. And now, key move, red delivers sacrifices his chariot for the final checkmate with the horse cannon checkmate combination. So I hope you have enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.